InMotion Hosting is one of the most popular US providers. Founded in 2001 and with over 300 employees and more than 170,000 customers, it offers affordable shared hosting plans. InMotion Hosting has been alive for a couple of decades. It has a fairly wide, if somewhat generic, array of services, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and even private cloud hosting. With that range of products, plus the fairly affordable pricing, InMotion is targeting everyone from the hobbyist web designer to the medium-sized business. In theory, as long as you don't actually need your own data center, the plans here should be enough for you. If you are in the market for a reasonably priced web hosting package which offers a ton of great features, especially for WordPress, then Inmotion Motion Hosting is one that you want to consider. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of InMotion Hosting. The traffic that your website can get isn't metered either. Even if their backend looks a bit outdated, you will find their system easy to follow. Their support was useful. Free backups, unmetered data transfers, and unlimited email and storage are all impressive features. Code options are flexible. InMotion's WordPress hosting options are outstanding, some of the best you are going to find anywhere. The onboarding process for customers is exceptional, with information well organized in the support center for easy discovery. A simple, streamlined, easy-to-use site builder makes it a breeze to get started. Now let's talk about the cons. The highest level of service is only available at the Pro level, which may explain some of the mixed reviews for customer service. The website builder works well, but the themes look outmoded. You have to buy at least a year at a time. If you want the lowest price, you need to purchase 2 years at a time. InMotion Hosting doesn't offer a backup feature, instead you'll need to get their paid add-on if you need backups, or use the tedious cPanel tool. Some of the more advanced functionalities are missing. For example, you won't have a server-side caching system or staging areas. InMotion Hosting does need to improve their speed. In our tests it was the slowest host. The storage, email accounts and databases have limitations with each plan. Now let's talk about the plans. All InMotion Hosting's plans come with cPanel, unlimited bandwidth, 24/7 support, and free advertising credits. You can choose to have WordPress, PrestaShop, or Joomla pre-installed. Every plan also comes with free website transfers and a free domain name for the first year. Also, and rather importantly, every plan gets free SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt. Their shared hosting, also stated as business hosting, comes with 3 plans. Launch plan starts at $3.99 per month. It supports 2 websites, 2 MySQL databases, 6 park domains, and 25 subdomains. Power plan starts at $5.99 per month. It supports 6 websites, 50 MySQL databases, 26 park domains, and 100 subdomains. Pro plan starts at $13.99 per month. This plan supports unlimited websites, unlimited MySQL databases, unlimited park domains, and unlimited subdomains. WordPress hosting plans are, well, basic, little more than a regular shared hosting plan with WordPress pre-installed. InMotion's WordPress range goes much further, with some very capable features that you won't always find elsewhere. Account activation can take a while. Usually, they verify orders by phone before activating accounts. Installation of apps and CMSs, WordPress, Joomla, etc., Softaculous for one-click install of popular apps and CMSs. Now let's talk about should you use InMotion Hosting or not. Their uptime and support were all good. Its reliable support and affordable prices are a good perk. Its storage is also generous and they don't meter the traffic you can get. So if you don't care too much about performance, it could be a good option. It has the support, the 90-day money-back guarantee, but the best part of InMotion is it seems to be a reliable, professional, honest web hosting company, which isn't trying to rip you off. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link given in the description below this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more review videos like this. Thanks for watching.